So, good morning to everyone. We have waited a few minutes for people coming in, but now I should start in order to let 5 to 10 minutes at the end for a roundtable discussion. So once again, thank you very much to participate at this new roundtable by Dev Embedded Systems, and this is the latest roundtable we are carrying on at the Embedded World Digital Edition 2021. And this is a summary of about the new products we have presented this year and we have added to our portfolio. During this week, we have presented on Monday our new solutions and new services around the machine learning and artificial intelligence as a short summary. Then on Tuesday, we have presented our embedded design solutions we are providing, as a service to our customers. On Wednesday, we had a double presentation. One was together with EBV and NXP about a social distancing demonstration platform based on the NXP i.MX 8 Plus, and another one about the IoT solutions from Dave Embedded Systems. And yesterday we presented in our roundtable again the social distancing solution designed by Dave Embedded System based on a machine vision platform based on again NXP i.MX 8M Plus. Today, so it's the last one, as I told you, and we will present our new products. And with this introduction, I thank you very much again for participating in Embedded World 2021, and I encourage you to contact us if you want also after this show. First of all, I want to introduce you again the company with our services. Please apologize whom I've already heard about this information during the other sessions. Dave Embedded Systems is a company that has more than 20 years of life this year, and we have in our core technology the design and development of a system on a module, in particular based on ARM-based technologies and FPGA-based technologies. And on this system on a module, we typically host NXP or Xilinx or ST Microelectronics or Texas Instruments system on chip. Based on this core technology we have in-house, we design in-house, we offer to our customers the possibility to design with Dave a complete embedded system, including first of all, of course, the integration of our system on a module in a carrier board design, or design directly a unique carrier board, where we have experience integrating Wi-Fi cellular modules, camera modules, and display touch integration with the, let's say, the latest technologies, so Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, which are known, 4G, and narrowband IoT, which is very important nowadays, and of course for video surveillance, for machine vision, also CMOS and CCD integration are important, and for whom I've an industrial application based on a human-machine interface interaction. We have a lot of know-how and skill set in the integration of displays with various technologies. This is the electronic background we have, and together with this we offer a huge number of services around the design of enclosure, so the mechanical design, plastic or metal. We are able to design enclosures, and we can follow all the process for make it profitable. And the most important part, which is our nowadays very crucial, is the capabilities of Dave Embedded System to support you in the software design and software integration. So we have an experience from the design of system on a module based on Linux and Android. So we are able to provide you both support packages based on this operating system, and not only, because we have experience on real-time operating systems like the VxWorks from WindRiver, formerly WindRiver, and with FreeRTOS, and to add the preemption RT patches to the kernel, or using a sandbox Xenomine. And finally, last but not least, regarding the hard real-time, we have experience and we provide services around the FPGA design validation. But this is not only, this is the base software, the board support package. On top of this, we have a skill set around the design graphical user interface based on Qt or other softwares, Python, Java, or web solutions like Node.js, Electron, and so on. And regarding the software integration, we know very well some field buses. So on our solution, you can integrate easily, thanks to our support, IEC61131 solution, PLC or SPS, Modbus buses, or we have experiences integrating industrial communication protocols like EtherCAT, master or slave, depending on the application, and IO-Link master. Once we have completed the embedded system, another important point is that the Dave embedded system has its own manufacturing line, production line, which enable customers to receive a complete service from Dave. So from the really beginning, the specification design, to the final product deployment and delivery for the full product life cycle of your device. We are certified for designing solution according to ISO 9001, of course, but also the 13485, which is specific for the medical equipment design and manufacturing. But we have also experience in the defense market, so we are providing also solutions in lead finishing with sealing and coating processes useful for airborne application or space applications. What is new from 2021? What is new is that we have added a skill set in the graphical user interface design, adding also Crank storyboard platform, including in the app design for the graphic user interface. But the most important part is what we have introduced is a skill set about Internet of Things 4.0 and machine learning. So nowadays we are not offering only software development on the edge, but also software development on the cloud. So we have this new offering to our customers, and especially considering the machine learning, that we have now new products able to perform AI algorithms directly on the target. So going on the new products, I'm sorry, I forgot this slide. Of course, the Dave is an Italian company. We are based in the northeast of Italy, not far from the Venice region. And we have an office in Munich. And Mr. Rutgers is here with me today. And he's leading the team for the maintenance of customers in the DACH area. The company is growing. Also last year, with the pandemic, we grow 2 digits, and we are a company that hosts 20 people here working, plus another 10 people around the world to support our development. So what's new from Dave? First of all, I'm very proud to present you a couple of new products we have launched here at the Embedded World together with NXP that has presented these solutions based on NXP i.MX 8M Plus processor. So NXP has presented this processor during this week, and we have presented our brand new solutions based on this system on chip. First of all, we have designed a single board computer with a number of features. and a system of modules. So we can use both solutions. You can consider to use both solutions on your product, depending if you can reuse a very compact single board computer like this one, or if you prefer to design your own carrier board based on this system of module. What is very important to know about the i.MX A10 Plus, that probably you know, is a processor with up to quad-core Cortex-A53 inside, ARM of course, plus a Cortex-M7, which is completely isolated. So you can do a perfect asymmetric multiprocessing with this system on chip. Another very important feature of this processor is the integration. This is the first product from NXP of this level, integrating inside a machine learning accelerator, the so-called NPU, neural processing unit, which is able to perform inferences with TensorFlow Lite, and it is able to accelerate, as an example, the social distancing application we have presented yesterday, and you can see the video on our booth. The product, the system of module, is based on a standard SODIMM form factor and integrates on board DDR4 memory. It integrates 3 different possible storages, eMMC, nor SPI for high reliable solutions, and SLC. And in any case, these 3 memory storage can be available also at the carrier board level. So you really can decide if place storage on board, on the carrier board. Our solution is extremely flexible from this point of view. Then on board there is already a Mac with the Gigabit Ethernet 5, and we support the TSN feature from the SoC. Another very important feature of the SoC, which is supported from both the SOM and of course the SBC, is the possibility to have two inputs, video inputs, so 2 MIPI parallel, completely parallel dual video inputs that can be integrated directly with the ISP available in the SoC. So this solution is perfectly designed for design a stereo camera with a neural processing unit. Another point I want to highlight is that this solution is designed and suggested from NXP also for the machine vision, of course, for what I said. And this means having systems connected that are able to perform algorithms. So this solution should be inline and connected online during their lives. So security is extremely important, and Dave Embedded System supports you in the secure boot integration. And not only, we have integrated on board of our system of module and crypto chip called EdgeLock SE050. So we can design not only machine vision and AI applications or very advanced multimedia applications, but we can design secure multimedia or machine vision application thanks to these features already integrated on our solution, that is of course designed for work in the complete industrial range between -40 and +85 degrees. Some words about the ORCA and the ORCA single board computer, which is also the evaluation kit of our platform. There are no limits to it, so the ORCA single board computer provides access to all functionalities available from the system on chip and from the system on module. In particular, I want to stress that the dual USB 3.0 are available both, and you can do the power delivery through those connectors. And as an option, you can power also with a standard Phoenix connector. But we have also tested and integrated on this 6 module size. So it's 100 millimeters times 88 millimeters. It's very compact. The power delivery. So you can use it like you are using our Raspberry Pi 4. And in fact, there are two inputs here. The dual cameras I already mentioned that are supporting the 22-pin Raspberry Pi standard connector. So you can easily switch from a Raspberry Pi solution to this solution available for at least 15 years from now. Dave Embedded System is a company that provides solutions, as I mentioned before. So we are really happy to support you in the industrial grade ready integration for reaching the CE mark for Europe. And we have already standard enclosures based on the DIN 6 modular standard DIN form factor. And we are available to support you in the enclosure design and all services I already mentioned before. So this is an overview about this product. I encourage you to visit our website, and we are very happy and electrized about these new solutions based on i.MX i.MX A10 Plus, because they will enable the usage of AI and machine learning solutions in the embedded world. And not only, because this platform is really an advanced solution for multimedia applications. So also the dual Ethernet interface with the TSN support and all the features available can bring you a very to the possibility to design a very advanced solution compared with the i.MX 6 old products. So this is the couple of products we have presented here at the embedded world based on the NXP system on chips. Now we will switch to a different product, a different vendor. We have decided to work with ST because they have decided to develop system on chips that were hosting Linux embedded, and they were a perfectly fit for customers that want to have low power solutions, very small and compact solutions for the IoT market. So again, I'm very proud here to present a second couple of products we are presenting here at the embedded world, which are the ETRA, we call it ETRA system on module, and ETRA single board computer, which are based on the well-known STM microelectronic ST32MP1 system on chip. And these two solutions are available and integrate the system on chip STM32MP1 and providing on the edge connector or the peripheral the availability of all functionalities. From the architectural point of view, this is a standard SODIMM again connector and interface, and this solution is compatible with the existing Axel U-Lite system on a module based on i.MX 6 UL ultralight. So customers can also consider to have to jump from one solution to the other, and the system on a module provides all access to all features and all functionalities, starting from the dual Cortex A7 plus the Cortex M4. Again, it is possible to do a very good isolation of the Cortex M4 for doing a good AMP solution, asymmetric multiprocessing. And all industrial peripherals are available at the edge level. From the memory and storage point of view, we integrate a DDR memory chip inside, and we have 3 different possible storages, starting from the reliable NOR SPI, eMMC, and then SLC. And again, these memories can be available also at the carrier level, so you can decide if your storage on board or on the carrier level. For us is the same. We can adapt our design and our part numbering to this. This is again a solution where we integrate a secure boot like secure boot-like concept in order to make the products based on this STM32MP1 processor secure. But this is not all. Due to this processor has not a huge number of pins, we were seeing that the edge connector, the sodium edge connector, was not completely full. So we added on board an expansion, an I/O expander. So there is as an option the possibility to have a multiple number of general purpose inputs or general purpose outputs, timers, programmable blocks, keypads. So in this way we have covered other 20-30 pins, otherwise they were missing on the edge connector. And in this way we have really created a compatibility with the existing i.MX UL product, and we have fulfilled our version with the ETRA single board computer, so the single board computer with all the industrial requirements for membrane and so on. In fact, the ETRA system on module, which is evaluation kit, which is based on the ETRA single board computer, provides access, and it is already an industrial grade solution with a power 12, 24 volt, storage, USBs. For the idea is to have one Ethernet, standard Ethernet, one standard USB, and one USB used for, let's say, a GSM narrowband IoT modem, a Wi-Fi adapter here. Then there is the backup battery for RTC and Watchdog. Then, due to this is designed for industrial solutions, we have a couple of RS-232 or RS-485 interfaces, already industrial, with a 4-module DIN bar form factor. And there are a couple of connectors for expansion, where you can adapt existing adapters for the membrane integration on top of a 4-module DIN bar enclosure. And of course this solution can be customized a lot, and Dave Embedded System is very welcome to support you in the industrial grade certification. This is a ready-to-use solution. And last but not least, of course, there is the possibility to connect a display. The connector is on the bottom, so if you want to design directly your, let's say, proof of concept with a 4-inch, 6-inch, 7-inch display, it's also available, the RGB interface on the bottom side of this product. You can see and have more information about these products visiting our wiki and looking for the specific page about ETRA system on a module or ETRA single board computer, or contacting us via help desk, or directly during the show. You can contact me at any time in order to have more information about these new products that are designed considering the standard Dave Embedded System to be a reliable partner in the embedded system solution. So thank you very much. We have some minutes left, 5 minutes more or less, and if you have any question or answer, please let me know. Thank you. Someone told me that the quality of the video was not good. Unfortunately, it's not my fault. It's a problem that too many people is connected at the same time. But you will review these videos on our website starting from next week. We will put them on our YouTube channel, so you can have a complete overview of what we have said, not only today, but also the days before, about the machine learning services, IoT services, and the social distancing application we have presented here at the Embedded World 2021. Okay, so if there are no other questions, I encourage you again to contact me at any time, whenever you want. Links are here. And thank you very much once again, and have a last very profitable day here at the Embedded World 2021 Digital Edition. Thank you.